Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innalhamdalillah, namaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu la nabiyya wa rasulullah ba'd. First of all, let's pray and give thanks to our God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us some mercies and blessings, so we can attend and gather in this place in a good condition and happy situation. Secondly, may peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness, from the stupidity to the cleverness, from the Jahiliyyah era to the Islamic era, namely Islamic religion that we love. Hello, viewers! Welcome back to the IDN Weekend Tech Talk series, a weekly webinar where we learn together and share knowledge about the latest developments and innovations in the world of technology. So, wherever you're watching from, thank you for being here, and we hope today's session will bring you valuable insights, new skill, and of course, a little motivation to keep learning and exploring. Before we get started, let me introduce myself first. I'm Azo Khalisa from 10 Programmer, and I'll be your host for this exciting session. So, how's everyone doing today? I hope you're all feeling awesome and ready to learn something new. Today, at the Weekend Tech Talk series, we will dive into a very practical and exciting topic, namely how to build a simple website using Bootstrap. And of course, we are honored to be joined today by a special speaker, Aska Shakira from 10 Programmer, who will be guiding us through the basics of using Bootstrap. And before we come to Shakira, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do in this weekend Tech Talk. First, there is opening where the speaker will introduce herself, then the main material that will be delivered by the speaker, and lastly is a Q&A session. I'm excited to introduce a distinguished speaker. Okay, let's welcome to Aska Shakira.
Hello everyone, my name is Asya Shakira and I'm from TNRPL, and I will be guiding you through this Watata session taught by build a simple website with Bootstrap.
Oh my god, hello Shakira, how do you feel today?
Hello Azwa, I'm very good today. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm going good today too. Alright Shakira, the time is yours to deliver your material.
Okay, thank you Azwa. Thank you so much for Azwa for the nice opening, and thank you for to all of you who are joining today's weekday tech talk. Today, we're going to learn how to build a simple website using Bootstrap. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will be explain everything step by step, and I will be go through it together in fun and easy way. Okay, so first we're gonna make some new folder in here. I will make in the documents. I will make some new folder name Bootstrap. To open it, you can click right and then choose the opening terminal. Then you can type code space point. Now your Visual Studio Code are open. Okay, I'm going to make some new file named index.html. I also made some new file again named style.css, and I will make some new folder again named image. Okay. Uh, I will be drag some image for the background, drag to the folder name image that we already made here. And now I will go to Bootstrap website. Here you can choose this first one, and the version is 5.3. So the first we have to connect it with the CDN in here. We can choose to way for connect it. We can install it via package manager, and we can also use for the input via CDN. You can copy this, the first one, and then go back to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, we have to make the structure of HTML first. For the shortcut, you can press Shift 1 and then enter. Here, you can enter below the title, type lane. Eh, wait, sorry. You can paste the CDN there. I will name it for komentar CDN with and I also copy this for the JavaScript copy and put in below of the body tag. Mm, okay. I will give the title Bootstrap. Okay, in this session I will be make some navbar. So you can go back to Bootstrap website and then search of canvas navbar. You can choose the first one in here. I will choose the first one. There's so many of canvas navbar in here, but I will choose the first one in here. Can copy, then can paste it. Yes. Okay. For if you want to see the output, you can save it for save it. You can click save, Control S, and then click right, open in another browser, and then like this, your output like this. Okay, we'll go back to the code. So first, I will make some class in the body here as ph 100, then overflow overflow hidden. Now I will style it using CSS. Wait. For the body, click body and then kurung perawal. Here is background image. For the background, I will choose from the URL that I already put the image here. Image. Background. and below of the background mode, I will choose the multiply one. Background position will be the center, and then background size, I will choose the cover one, and then for background repeat, normal repeat. Okay, that's for the style CSS, but we have to connect it first, I guess. Sorry, for connect it, you can type link and then type this style CSS that we already made. And then you can save it. Okay, and this is the output. The output. Okay, so I will customize the navbar. In here, I will give the commenter first and below of the body tag. This is navbar. And then container with class container. Here, logo for the logo. And then sidebar, I will sidebar of non-class. Where uh, sidebar in here. Here, name is sidebar. Okay, and then next for the sidebar body, here sidebar body. Nah, okay. First, I will this change the class. Nav, navbar. Here, beside the navbar, you can type navbar expand. Expand. Okay. And then it navbar dark. Navbar dark. I will delete this. Dark. And for the position fixed top, I will delete also, and I will change become okay, transparent. Okay, for the below of the tag nav, this is there is the tag div in here. I will give only container class in here. And for the tag A, we can change this become good. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, we can see the output. Okay, like this for the output. Okay, we start again. Continue. For the button, we can use shadow in here. Wait, toggle. Shadow one, shadow one, and then border. We can use border 0, border 0. Okay, I think that's all for the logo. Next, I will change the sidebar here. Sidebar. And here I will uh, sidebar bar in here of canvas of canvas here, and then change the end become start here. Okay, oh sorry, I will add some sidebar header in below of sidebar. Sidebar header of canvas header. We can look also the output. Same, just like this also. For the sidebar header, similar, I will add some class white text in here, like text border button, border button here. And for the H5, just like this of canvas little, and then I will change the text from Bootstrap. Bootstrap, not bad. Okay, save. Okay, so like this, yeah. You can inspect with this. Come like this. Okay, I will customize the sidebar. You can go back to the style.css. Then I will make it responsive. Media scheme. Max width 991 px, and here I will call the class sidebar. We use background color RGBA 255. This also 255. This is also, and for the last one 0.15. Okay, next for back, we can choose backdrop filter. Backdrop filter. I'll choose the blur one. Blur here. And for the number, I'll choose 10px. You can save it first. Okay. You can see the output first when it like this become like blur. Okay, wait. And then I will add some class again in the button here. Type button then close right here and then close like and then for the shadow none here, so close. Yes. Okay, I will add some sidebar class and sidebar body. Here there is some of canvas body. I will choose add some display flags, and then flags column here, flags again, flags LG row zero, and we can also add some padding for the LG LG zero. Okay, we're safe. And then we can add also for the L create site H5 and here I will delete this from the nav item drop down until here. Delete. And I will duplicate this tag LV. For the shortcut, you can press Alt Shift down. Okay. And I will change become about. This is also about, and this is surprises. It's also, and the last one is contact. Okay, you can save it. And for the nav, I will flex grow class UL. Just this. I will change for the class UL this nav justify content center from the end. I will justify content center and align item center. Here I will add again some FS5 flex grow. We don't need flex grow, so we can delete it. FS1 and P3. Okay, and here I will delete some form this because we don't need that, and I will make some section login or sign up. Here we can make some div for inside. I will add some tag A and here. You can fill it with login. And then I will duplicate it for the shortcuts like before. Alt shift down here. Sign up. Sign up. Nah, we are continuing to style for the class here. I will make the flags for come horizontal, and then flags column, flags LG row, stick by content center, align item center, and gap 3 here. Save. And I also add some class in the login here. Text white for the login text will be color. The color is white, and then I'll be text white text decoration none. Text decoration. Okay. Here I want to add also some class in the sign up. Here text white. Sorry. Also text white. White text. Sorry. White text, and then text decoration none. Also using padding x 3 px, and then ey 1, and then we use some rounded for border radius. I will choose 4 here, rounded 4, and I will add some style too for the sign up. Here style, we can choose for the background color. Here I will choose, you can choose whatever color that you want. I will choose this aquamarine. Yes, then okay, you can save it. Can see the output forward. Then just like this. Wait. For a while, the output like this. We can go back to the code. White text. Oh yeah. Here I'll add for the ref login, and then ref sign up. Okay, I will make some main in here. Main, main, main section, new section in here, and add some section also. Section. Enter. Here I will add each one. We can type responsive. I'll make like the hero section in here, just a simple hero section. Responsive nav, and then duplicate it like before. Alt shift down. Sorry, Alt shift down. And then I will change the text become Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5. Okay. Now I will give some class in the section tag. First is width 100, B H B H 100 also. And display flags column and then justify content center line item center for make it center the section here, and we can also add some gap in here, gap 3 here, gap 3 all now. And then sorry, we not use gap 3 but text white text right here. And I'll give style for the H1 class also. Here, here also alt. You can press alt for make to both font size. Sorry, we not use class but style tag here. Style tag font size. Font size. I will give 3 of 2.3 2.5 gram, and for the Bootstrap 5 I will give 2.3 gram. Okay, you can save it. Okay, we can see the upload. Can refresh it first like this. Wait, we can inspect it. Sorry. Here, wait, run and color white. This is also white color. White. Okay. Here I'll save. Yes. Next, I'll choose give flags color. The display flags plus VH here. Wait, I will give some nav item in here for X2, then active. Okay, active. Okay, wait. Let's see first. For the login one, because the white text not detect, I will give some style in here. Become color white, and this is also color white, color white. Okay, you can look, but for the background, it's not. I will change it. Color. F9 F9 4 C8. Okay, so become like this. Okay, next, for the shadow icon, button should enclose. I will check from the top. Navbar, navbar expand, LG, navbar dark, and then wait, is it transparent? Transparent. Then container. For the logo, I will navbar brand, bootstrap navbar. Then shadow on span to go icon. Okay, and for the sidebar of canvas side. Okay, sidebar. Yeah, start. And this is for the header, sidebar header, sidebar header of canvas header. What text? What border bottom? Canvas title. Okay, and close white, shadow none. Okay, justify content center. These five flags column, flags zero, padding 4, padding LG 0, after enough, justify content center, align at the center. Okay, link active. Okay, okay. I'll check the output. Wait, I will give break line in here. So the bootstrap 5 not go like this. Not uh, bootstrap. I'll change it. Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5. Okay, and then I will delete this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, let's check the output. Check. Okay. Now we already have some built some a simple website using Bootstrap that it's a small but powerful parts of any website and a great place to start if you're learning front-end developer. And now I will hand it back to the host so we can continue with the session.
Wow, that was such insightful material. We've learned a lot about how Bootstrap can make website development so much easier and visually appealing at the same time. But don't go anywhere because now it's time for the Q&A session. Drop your questions in the chat and I'll give to them one by one. Okay, there is question for if how did you feel the first time you tried coding?
Okay, at the first, I was confused because I didn't understand so much, but I was also happy because I like learning new things and coding felt interesting.
Wow, so amazing, Shakira. Next, the question is, what was the biggest challenge you faced while building your website?
For the biggest challenge that I faced while building my website was making sure everything looks good and different screen size because at the first the layout is look fine on my laptop, but when I check in my phone everything was messy, so I had to learn more about responsive design and play around in Bootstrap grid system until it finally worked well on all devices.
The next question is, what is the reason you choose to use Bootstrap when building a website?
Okay, why the reason? Because I choose to use Bootstrap because it makes the process such faster and easier and easier because especially for someone still learning like me, it has a lot of ready-made components like navbar, buttons, and cards. So I didn't have to build everything from beginning.
The next question is, I'm still new to Bootstrap. What's the first thing I should focus on learning so it doesn't feel too confusing?
If you are still beginners like me, I think uh, you have to start with the layout system, especially the grid system, because it's the foundation of arranging your content on your page and understand how rows and columns work.
The next question, hello Shakir, what is a Bootstrap? Is it like a template in CapCut?
Okay, thank you for Kalila. So basically, Bootstrap is like kind of template baked in CapCut, but for website, it give you like set of ready-made style and components like button layouts, and navigation bars. So you don't have to design everything from beginning like that.
The next question, when the first time you learn code?
Thank you, Hewa. For the first time, I learned to code when I was enter IDN boarding school. Ahwat. Okay, that's all.
The next is, whether we use Bootstrap or make it with CSS.
Actually, it depends on your project. If you want to build some quickly and responsive website, you can use Bootstrap because it's great. Give you pre-made components that saves a lot of time. But if you want to made from beginning from zero, you can use CSS for your website.
Okay, Shakira, thank you for all of your answer. And I think it's enough for the question. Thank you, Shakira, for sharing your amazing material. And thank you so much, guys, for watching today's Weekend Tech Talk. Hopefully, the material from Shakira can motivate and be useful for our daily life. And I am also sorry if I have any mistakes. Lastly, don't forget to watch another Weekend Touchdown video next week. See you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.